Hello guys, welcome to IDG. We decide to create some UI video series for you. A lot of people not have any idea how to create the UI using Adobe XD. Today we start this video tutorial series first video and okay, let's start. Firstly, you want to create a rectangle and remove the border, and I have some download travel images from OnePlus and drag and drop into the rectangle. Okay, and I'm create a new layer for add the dark effect and remove the border, change the color black and opacity and 12%. Okay, I have iPhone X status bar. I'm add into the artboard. Okay. Also I'm create a text. Find a home wherever you are. Okay, and change the font, circular STD to black, and change the line spacing to 41 to 55. Okay, and after I'm create indicators for this UI to slide the images and remove the border, change the opacity for 12 and press 1 want to not opacity is 100%. Okay, I want to create a add start button and change to radius 25 and remove the border. Choose the color blue. If you have any color you can choose it. Okay, I'm at the text. Get started here. Okay, I'm resize the text. Okay, center it. Okay, I'm choose circular STD book. Resize and change the lattice space into 0. Okay, and center it. Okay, I have some logo from previously I'm download. Okay, I met that logo in center artboard. Now I want to create some shapes and I'm create eclipse and copy and paste another one and center, so both are, and select those and subtract them. Okay, and copy and paste another one and select to subtraction and change the opacity for 90%. Okay, I'm change the subtraction position in layers. Okay, this one is the final flash screen. Okay, you can watch this one. Okay guys, this episode is finished. Also I think you can understand all the process in how to create the flash screen UI. See you next time.